How you going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry about the echo in the bedroom. I'm back up here on Grid Island. I flew back to work today, so kind of sucks. On my week off, my brother and myself went out on a four-wheel drive run down the beach. Took the kids, had an absolute ball. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It gave me brother's Z71 Colorado a run on the beach just to give it a good test out, and surprisingly it went very good. So we did do a bit of fishing. Watch till the end of the video. I will add photos of our setup for the day, Patrick's fish. Super cool, so excited. I hope you enjoy the video. It's only a short film, not a vlog or anything, but give us a thumbs up if you think it's good. Give us a sub if you enjoy my videos and you just want to see more. And I hope you enjoy the video contents that I provide for you. Hope we'll see you all out there. Happy adventures, guys. Peace out. See ya.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out. I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind.
Pit stop at Dad's house. Have to grab some cans of beer because we low on stock in the esky.
But I'll stay, I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again. I feel it again. We're picking up where we left, off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.